there, Mutt. Paint job's finished. I reckon shining time is the best welcome sign of any town in our valley. Well, I'm glad you agree. Billy's old map sure helped a lot. He's on his way back now, is he? You hear that train whistle sooner than it hears itself.
Fine work, Patch.
Thanks. Oh, I've been looking at your map. What are these mysterious shadowy lines doing on it? They look like straight railroad tracks, but I can't see any tracks around here except for the ones that you travel on.
It's mysteries that make this land so...
Magical? Well, I better be off to Muffle Mountain. I promised Mr. Stone that I'd clean out his yard today.
Does Burnett Stone ever give you a smile?
No, but he doesn't frighten my horse either. Which means I don't think he's a bad man. I think he's just sad.
I didn't know that in Muffle Mountain there was a secret that Burnett had shared only with his childhood friend, Tasha.
One day, Tasha, I'm going to drive this engine, and I'll take you with me.
Promise you will, Burnett. Promise.
I promise.
This engine was vital to the magic that held these worlds together, but only Burnett knew that.
Hello, Shining Time Station Manager Stacy Jones speaking. Oh, yes. The 10:15 from Pelican Falls to Shining Time is right on schedule. You're welcome.
The 10 o'clock to Lucy's Leap is leaving now.
Oh, Billy, I found this child's drawing in an old locker in the Lost and Found. Look at the signature, Billy. Burnett Stone. It's hard to believe Burnett could have ever looked that happy.
Oh, Burnett had a wonderful smile. And he loved railroading, too.